Do you want to create high-quality shorts with little to no effort? With Submagic AI, you can have engaging shorts in just a few minutes that include sound effects, transitions, and high-quality B-roll footage in your video. Let me show you how it works. First, search Submagic AI or just click the link in the description down below. This is the page that you will see at first. Click Create Free Shorts, and it will ask you to log in or create an account. I will just use my Google account to log in, and it should bring you to the homepage. Now you have two options to choose from for your project. One is to generate captions for your video, and two is to get clips from your long video. Let us go do the generate caption first. It will ask you to upload a video from your computer. Take note that it should be in an MP4 or MOV format, with a max length of 5 minutes and max size of 2 gigabytes. For now, I will use the sample video just to show you how it works. Once you upload your video, you should come up on the same page as mine. You will be able to select the caption style, the caption itself, add some B-rolls, and boost your video. Let's go through them one by one. First is the caption style. You have a variety of options that you can choose from. To check on how it looks, just play the video a couple of seconds, choose whatever style you want. For now, I will choose the Noah style. If you scroll down, here is where you can edit the text color, size, and position. For the highlight colors, it is highly recommended to stick with the vibrant colors like yellow, green, red, and even blue sometimes. Next is the captions. This is where you can edit the words in your captions. All of the captions here are AI generated, so you don't have to do it yourself. You can edit the caption line by line. For example, here you can emphasize a line that you want. Basically, it will darken the video a bit and it will emphasize the line like this.
Hey, nice to meet you.
You can also add sound effects per line. There are quite a few that you can choose from. I will use the click sound effects for this line and try to listen to it and adjust the volume depending on how loud you want the sound effects to be. You can also highlight words or lines and choose the color based on the highlight color that you chose in the style selection. For example, I wanted to highlight the word Submagic. I just need to click the word Submagic. I will choose yellow for this one. And if you play it,
My name is David.
it will look
I'm
like
the
this.
co-founder of Submagic. Welcome on the product.
As you can see, it highlighted the word Submagic. You can also edit the specific position for this line, adjust the size as well from small, medium, or large. I will just use small and put it at the top just for an example. You can also add lines in the middle. You can hide the line or even delete the line. Once you're happy with your captions, we can now move on to B-rolls. B-rolls are very important. It keeps the engagement high for your viewers. Here's how you do it. Just look for a space where you want to put your B-roll. Let's say I wanted to put a B-roll right here. You have an option to add a B-roll or an image. Right now we'll add B-roll, and you have a variety of B-rolls to choose from. You have free videos, premium videos, B-rolls from movies. If you want to add your custom B-roll, you can upload your B-roll video right here. Or if you have some saved B-rolls, you will see them right here. For now, I will go to free videos and try to add a searching B-roll. I think this one looks good for me. Just click the video, apply, and it will show you like this. Here is where you can edit your B-roll. You can replace the video, you can adjust the position, you can change the layout if you want it rounded or squared. For this, I will choose the cover layout and I will just click on apply. You can also edit the duration for your B-roll. I will just put 7 to 9 seconds. Let's see how it looks like.
Product. So if you're watching this video, it's probably that you are looking to know like how does it works, what kind of style of type.
There you go. Looks good to me. You can also add a GIF or an image inside a video. Just click on the image logo right here and you will be able to upload your own GIF or image inside your video. For this, I will not add anything, but I will add a sound effect for this B-roll. I will just use a camera focus because it sounds nice. Adjust the volume as you see fit. And you can also add a transition from this clip to your B-roll. I will set the transition and use burn transition. Let's see how it looks.
The product. So if you're watching this video, it's probably that you are looking to know like how does it works, what kind of style.
Looks good to me. Once you're happy with your B-rolls, we can now move on to the boost section. Boost section, where basically AI will help you with descriptions, hashtags, even the title for your video, and a lot more to help you with engagement. This is the last step to finish up your video. First is the AI hook title, which is for the paid plan. It adds a nice little hook title at the start of your video, which you can also adjust with different themes. If you don't like the AI hook title, you can just regenerate and click the style that you want it to look like. Here at the bottom, you can change the font, the size, the position, and the duration on how long it's gonna show. Next is the AI clean audio. What this does is it will remove any imperfections within your audio clip, like background noise or some static. It will clean the audio for you and make it sound more professional and crisp, which is a very nice feature if you have videos that have annoying background noise that you want to remove. Highly recommended to use if you have a paid plan. Next is the AI description and hashtags. Very straightforward and simple. It will generate descriptions and hashtags based on your video. You can use it as it is or use it as a draft of what you can use in your description. You can edit it, copy, regenerate. You can even shorten it or even a longer version for this particular caption or description. You can also add your logo or branding so no one can steal your video or content. Just add the image here if you have one, or you can choose the text option. You can use your channel name. You can adjust the size, the position, and the opacity. Then finally, we can choose to add music to our video, which is very important, of course. You can add your own music or just choose from the choices that you can see here. You can even search for music that you want to use. To apply, just click the music that you want and click on apply. Adjust the volume as you see fit. Before you export, you can even change the size of the video right here. If you don't want it to be 9:16, you can change it to a 4:5, a square 1:1, or even a 16:9. This will allow you to create content for different social media platforms. You can even show the safe zone, which will show you what it looks like when someone is actually watching your video. A very cool feature that will help you so that no text will get in the way or effects will be hidden by the icons. Since this is a sample video, I won't be able to save it, but if you uploaded your own video, you can save this and work on it later. Or if you finished it, you can just click export, where you can choose the quality and FPS. You can choose from standard 1080p, HD 2K, or Ultra HD 4K, which is for paid plans, of course. Choose the FPS, 30 or 60, which is for paid plans, or remove watermark if you have a paid plan. Once you're happy, just click export and you are done. The next one that we are going to look at is Magic Clips. You can add your own long form video, take note of the format as well, MP4 or MOV format, max length of 120 minutes, and a max size of 2 gigabytes. Or you can paste a YouTube URL right here, where it will create clips based on the video that you have provided. I don't have a link or video, so I will just use a sample video right here. Once you uploaded your video, Submagic will then look through the video and it will generate clips for you from the video that you uploaded, or through the video and it will generate clips for you from your video or the YouTube URL that you pasted. You can review the clips right here at the bottom, but in any case that you didn't like the clips generated by Submagic, you can manually get the clip just by clicking Get Clip Manually. You can then go through the whole video and select parts where you want to clip a certain area. So what you need to do is select the word from the part you want to clip. For example, I wanted to start right here. I just need to click the word someone and add to selection. And then I wanted to end the clip in this part. You just need to click it and add to selection. And then your selection will show right here. You can also manually adjust the clip by just dragging the white line here, or by clicking a word right here, and it will show you the line, and you can drag the line until that point, something like this. Now the selection will show here in the middle. You can also change the video format or the video ratio. You can choose 9:16, 4:5, 1:1, a square, or 16:9. Also show safe zone. Once you are satisfied, you can now create the clip, create clip, and edit captions. Once you're happy with your clip, you will be able to do the editing process for your clip just like we did before. Now that I have shown you how easy it is to create short form content using Submagic AI, I do recommend for you to check out their plans area, considering that a lot of their great features are behind their paid version, as you saw in the video. Before I end this video, I will go through their plans to see if it is really worth it to try out Submagic. If you are on a trial plan, you will be able to see the upgrade plan here on the left, and it will show you all the plans that are available. So right now they have starter, professional, and business, which all come at a reasonable price. This is annually, but if you want to do monthly, you can just toggle the button right here. Make sure to check out the differences between each plan to see what plan suits you more. Now, I do have a special surprise for all of you. Let's say you chose the professional plan. Just click select plan. It will show you the price for that plan, But as a special surprise, you can use the promo code CLIP10 for an additional 10% off. Just click Add Promotion Code, type CLIP10 just like shown, click Apply, and as you can see, you do get a 10% off for a year. So instead of 276 USD, it goes down to 248 USD. So you do save a nice amount of money. Then just fill out the information on the right and click subscribe. So hopefully you enjoyed my video tutorial on Submagic AI. If you are interested in creating short form content that is high quality, offers plenty of customizations, and easy to use, I definitely recommend checking out Submagic AI. Again, link in the description, and don't forget to use the code CLIP10 for an additional 10% off. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.